Hi, I'm Brett from Redsbaby and I'm so excited to take you on a tour of our brand new NUVO Pram and all its outstanding features. Like all our Redsbaby products, NUVO was designed and engineered right here in Australia for our unique lifestyle in mind. It's an extraordinary pram that goes from single to double, crafted over 3 years. It effortlessly adjusts to accommodate your growing family and comes in an incredible range of colours, including our platinum black. What does the NUVO do best? Multiple configurations, from single to double to even carrying 3 children with a buggy board out the back. For me, it's easy to fold. It's not just easy to fold with the seat facing out to the world, you can just as easily fold it with a seat parent facing. Whether it's one seat on or both seats on, again, both parent facing or both seats out to the world, you can still fold down this pram. And compact. It is one of the most compact prams on the market in its class, being only 60 centimeters wide. So with that, let's begin. The NUVO Bassinet can hold a newborn up to 9 kilos or up to 6 months, whichever comes first, both in single as well as double mode. Designed with multiple large mesh panels in the bassinet to increase breathability and of course keep your baby cozy. The first air mesh panel is out the back around your baby's head. Then pull open the 2 zippers and pull down. As well as that, what's really nice about the canopy is that it extends forward 1 position, giving your baby further privacy and protection. What's also nice about the bassinet is that you can take it out one-handed. Simply press the buttons on both sides and then whenever you're ready, lift up the bassinet and you can take it out one-handed. As well, it is compatible with multiple capsules, including both Britax and Maxi Cozy. The NUVO seat has 3 positions, which is really unique. As you can see it now, it has parent facing in the middle position. The seat can also be turned around to world facing. But what's really nice, you can actually move the seat up to the higher position on the chassis, allowing you to be closer to your child and allow you to bond with them. Simply take out the seat one-handed and slide your adapters up. That's how easy it is to go from the middle position up to the upper position. And now you can have your seat in a high position and be that bit closer to your child. The seat on the NUVO holds an impressive 22 kilos in single mode. And when in double or tandem mode, the top seat holds 20 kilos and the lower seat 17 kilos. As well as that, it is 2 full-size seats on the NUVO. That means for your second child, they're not in a smaller toddler seat, but the same full-sized seat. When designing the NUVO, we really considered the environment and what we can do to be a more environment-friendly approach. And one of the things we did is we incorporated the same frame for the seat as well as the bassinet. What does this mean? It means you share the canopy, you share the frame, as well as you share the bumper bar for both. This means minimizing unnecessary parts, storage and wastage as well. And when you are finished with the bassinet, you fold it away, it is just a piece of fabric that needs to be stored. The seats are also designed with a unique mesh ventilation panel behind each one. Simply pull the flaps and with the built-in magnets, it will stick to the back. Really nice for those of you that live in that hotter area to get that extra ventilation onto the seat. As well, for those of you that know Redsbaby, we still have our 5-point safety harness, designed with soft cushioning and to give your child comfort and support. Lightweight, with the chassis being only 8.2 kilos, making it one of the lightest double prams in its class. Making it easy for you to lift into your car boot and allowing parents, to navigate with ease. Easy to fold in all configurations, whether single, parent facing, single, forward facing, or in tandem, either parent facing or world facing. I'm going to go through those folds with you now. Simply pull the 2 black latches up and straight down to the ground, and your seat will simply fold inside the frame just like that. When folding it in double mode, both parent facing, again, very similar. Lift your seat up Do the same with the top seat and lift your two black latches up and straight down to the ground. And there you have the NUVO folder in both single as well as double parent facing. To bring it back up once again, on the left hand side there's a simple latch. Push the latch, lift up and back in action. And there's the single brought back. Simply push the latch, lift back up and lift your seats back up into position once again. And that's how easy it is to use both the NUVO in single and in double with two seats on with folding. Compact, one of the most compact prams in its class, being only 60 centimeters narrow compared to a lot of its competitors which are 65 centimeters wide. This provides ease of movability and allowing you to navigate through tight spaces. With that, it can even be more compact when you want to fold it. When you take the seat off, the seat's been designed to have the ability to fold in half. This means if you do have a smaller car, you can take the seat off, fold it in half, and you can fold down the pram without the seat, making it even more compact. The NUVO Pram, designed to be used one-handed. We know as parents ourselves the advantage of having one-handed free when using the pram, and that's why we've tried to design it to make the pram as easy as possible to be able to use the functionality one-handed. The seat recline has 5 positions that can be easily adjusted one-handed at the back of the seat. That's the second position, 3, 4, and 5 to all the way reclining flat. The footrest has 3 one-handed positions, 1, 2, and 3, and then can be reclined all the way down again. The handlebar, 106 centimeters down to 96 centimeters. Simply squeeze and you've got all the positions all the way down and all the way back up once again. And whether you have the bassinet or the seat, you simply press the buttons on both sides and can be removed one-handed. The NUVO is a single, a double and a triple pram carrying up to 3 children. You can seamlessly move from a single to a double, or you can add your buggy board onto the back for a 3rd child as well. As well as that, the NUVO only needs 2 sets of adapters that simply slide on and off, and the pram can always be folded with the adapters on. The NUVO has multiple configurations. When in single mode, you can put in a capsule, a bassinet, or a seat. In double, you can have your newborn in a bassinet and your older child in the seat. When moving over onto the 2-seat configuration, both seats can be parent-facing or world-facing, or you can have 1 seat world-facing and 1 seat parent-facing. With this, remember, both seats will be full-size seats, means no smaller toddler seat. In twin mode, you can have 2 bassinets set up, 2 capsules set up, or 2-seat configuration. And then you can add a buggy board onto the pram to make it into a triple pram for 2 seats and a bassinet or a capsule with your buggy board out the back. Lastly, I want to take you through some additional features which you will love about your NUVO Pram. Maximum protection. The NUVO is made with UPF 50+ fabric, ensuring your child is protected from the harmful UV rays. Redsbaby has always been known for our large extension and breathable canopies. At the back, open up the zipper and you'll have your breathable mesh panel at the back. And then unzip the canopy to extend it forward. The basket is massive, holding up to 12 kilos. Whether the seat is parent-facing or forward-facing, still giving you easy access to the basket, and even with 2 seats in the pram, you can still access the basket. Front and rear wheel suspension, giving you a smooth ride over all terrain, ensuring your child remains comfortable no matter the journey. Rest easy knowing the NUVO Pram complies with the latest voluntary and mandatory Australian safety standards. Here at Redsbaby, we have our promise: 3-year warranty, 30-day indoor trial, free easy returns, and local lifetime customer support. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact our customer care or jump onto our website for more information. And thank you for supporting our Australian business and learning more information about the NUVO.